Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. I just wanted to get out here and do a quick video on the light output on the new Alpharex headlights that I have. We're going to go over the bulbs, we're going to go over the brights, the fog lights, how it looks, how far it displays and all that. So I'm going to go ahead and unlock it right here. It does that little sequential. And when it gets dark, a little darker, I'm going to go over and do a full comparison. We're going to go right into that field over there and be fully dark outside so you can see what it looks like and how bright they are, how far they shine, the fogs, all that. So you can kind of get a really good comparison on how bright these things actually are. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so it is now dark outside, and I'm going to show you how bright just the DRLs are. No lights are on, just the DRL and the what's it called, the Raptor grill lights here. So as you can see, the DRLs are bright, but definitely doesn't put any light put out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the headlights, just the headlights with the DRL, and then we'll do it with the fog lights. So here is the headlights on. So here's off and now on. It's a nice cutoff. And it goes pretty wide, as you can see. This is how they look. The camera can't really pick it up, so I won't show you that, but they're on this bulb right here. There they are. So that is what it looks like with the headlights on. Now we're gonna do the fog lights in the headlights. So ready, 3, 2, 1, fog lights. Bam. So before you had, turn it off. So now it's just, before it was just this is lit up. Now when you turn the fog lights out, it's now the bottom half is lit up. So now you have the bottom half and the top half lit up. So this thing can see everything far. I love how the fog lights go all the way down there. And the fog lights go all the way that way too. So now let's turn the fog lights off and just do the brights. So here comes the brights. Bam. Now it's really bright. I mean, these things are so bright. Now the headlights do not come with LEDs. You have to actually put different LEDs in there. When you get the headlights themselves, it's gonna have a halogen bulb. So this is an LED and that's an LED. But when you get them, they don't come like that. So with the halogens, they're even worse than the stock headlights, I've heard. But look how bright these are. I think they're both H7s or H11. Don't really, not too sure. But as soon as you turn the brights on, then the fog lights turn off. See that? So now I'm gonna turn the fog lights on, turn the brights off. So lights are off, and 3, 2, 1, fog lights. Bam. Oh, bam, fog lights are on. And let me show you how bright these fog lights are. Super, super bright, man. Super bright with the headlights. They are so freaking bright. Look at this. Like if I stand right here, it just lights up the entire. See, I think I have to adjust the headlights. See how it's kind of lower on this side? And then that is kind of taller. You see that, how that? So I may have to adjust it just the slightest bit on the left, and just so you can raise it so it's a little taller, so it's more even. So I can see that the right headlight is a little taller than the left one. So, or maybe lower. Nah, I'd probably just raise it. You don't want them too high because you know how the brights, they shine right into the trees. That will blind people. So the brights is for distance, so it will shine up into the trees. So ready, when I turn them on, here comes the brights. Bam. So it goes into the trees and it makes it more tunnel vision than wide. So you know, this is just regular headlights, but here comes the brights, so it makes it like just straight as far as it can go. I mean, oh my god, if there was no trees there, this thing would see everything, and it's so bright. So yeah, just want to make a quick video on that, guys. Turn these off and turn the lights off here, the fogs, and then turn the headlights off. There you go. So when you're driving, but I don't have the DRL harness hooked up, so this is how it would look when I'm driving, unless I just turn the knob one over. But that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. I had to make this video to show you how bright the actual Alpharex headlights are and just make a quick review on them. Because when you buy new headlights, you're most concerned about the light output. I mean, yes, the looks are cool, but you want to know what is the performance on these lights. I did a video on the Nova series headlights, but it was kind of hard because the DRL was out. But for the most part, I think they are both the same output, even though the Nova series had two projector lights. The Pro series only has one, but I feel like they're the same potentness as in light level. So I can't really tell you that one is more bright than the other, or one gets more, I don't know, more light than the other. I'm so happy with these. They're half the price. They look cool. I like the DRL even better than the Nova series, and they perform the same. So that is pretty much it. Like I said, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you're wondering what I've done to the truck so far, I have basically a whole description of Amazon. Oh, I can actually show you the, it's been a while, but look right here. I do still have the ambient lighting down there, which is super cool. Bet you a lot of you probably forgot about that. I forget about it sometimes too. So when you turn the truck on, it automatically turns on, which is awesome. You can change the color and stuff like that. But like I said, if you're wondering what I've done to the truck, I have every single model link in the description down below. I think it's like, I don't know, like 15 or 16 things so far, but I'm gonna keep adding on as the more things I do to the truck. Other than that, we'll catch you on the next video, guys. Peace.